we present the unboxing and installation of the DTF InkOne SZ1 and SX8 dryer and shaker. We start by opening the box with the help of pliers and a hammer. We take out all the components. We remove the dryer by first unscrewing the metal brackets that keep it fixed. Now we proceed to assemble all the components. We place the fans in their position and connect them. Once fixed, we screw them in. Next, we install the brackets that will hold the paper support bars. We raise the screws to insert the bars. We loosen the nuts of the support and insert one bar. We insert the first bar and secure it. We insert the second bar, which includes the paper support, center it, and secure it. We connect the paper support. We open the drying lid and check that the lamps are properly installed. We turn on the printer. We check that the filter starts normally. We verify that the low powder level alarm works correctly. We also check that the machine stops when the lid is open. We switch to manual mode to verify that everything is working correctly. We move the shaker in front of the printer. We place the front guide plate. We turn on the machine. We switch to manual mode and activate the drying heating function. We turn on the smoke filter and adjust the fan speed as needed. We take out the provided exhaust pipe. We connect one end of the pipe to the smoke filter. We tighten the screws to ensure the pipe fits snugly onto the exhaust outlet. We extend the other end of the pipe to the outside. Once the printing film is long enough, we pass it through the powder shaker. We disable the auto stop function when opening the lid in advance. We align the shaker with the printer and switch to automatic mode. We turn on the front suction function. We place the powder blocking plate. We add the DTF powder. We turn on all functions. We guide the film through the fan. We feed the film through the lower guide rod of the machine and attach it to the paper roll.